Okay, this video is going to take us through how to solve simple equations. Basically, what we need to do, as it stands down here, the rule, do the same to both sides. We want to get the x's on this side and the numbers on this side. So how do we remove 10? What's the opposite to plus 10? It's minus 10. So to subtract 10 from this side, then we subtract 10 from this side as well. What are we left with? X plus 10 minus 10. That's x equals 12 minus 10, which is 2. Okay, that solves it. Let's substitute it back in and see if it works. 2 plus 10 equals 12. Now let's check this one over here. Here we've got 5x equals 35. Now we want to have this x equals something. So what is opposite to multiply by 5? Divide by 5. So divide this side by 5. Whatever you do this side, we need to do the same to the other side. Divide this side by 5. We then have divide by 5, divide by 5, x equals, and if we're remembering our 5 times table, 5 into 35 goes 7. Whoops. X equals 7. Now let's have a look at one more. This time it's a bit more complicated. I've got x on the left hand side and x is on the y hand side. Numbers on the left, numbers on the y. So let's take all the letters over to this side. This side I want to get rid of a 5x. So we subtract 5x from this side. Right, and we subtract 5x from this side. 5x. So, now 7. I want 5. Let's just leave the 7 where it is because I want the numbers on this side. This time I need to get rid of the 5. What is the opposite to plus 5? It's minus 5. So minus 5 from that side and a minus 5 from that side. Let's have a look and see what we've got over here. First of all, the 5's. Plus 5 minus 5, 0. And we've got 2x minus 5x is negative 3x equals, what have I got? 5x minus 5x cancels out, that's 0. Then minus 7 minus 5 is minus 12. It's getting closer, but not exactly what we want. Now, we have to have a look at what is before the x. In front of the x, we've got a negative 3x. So, what is the opposite to multiply by negative 3? Divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3 and divide by negative 3 on this side. Negative 3's then cancel into each other, and then I've got x equals, now what is a negative number divided by a negative number? Gives you a positive, and 12 divided by negative 12 divided by negative 3 gives us a 4. So x equals 4. We can go back into this and check that. We can say 2 times 4 plus 5 equals, what's that? 8 plus 5 is 13. And 5 times 4 minus 7 also equals 20 minus 7, which is also 13. So our x equals 4 is correct. Okay, I hope this was helpful.